Hey guys, we're Planning for Purpose and welcome back to our channel. This is our van Jupiter in case you're new here. We're changing her into a camper van. Last week we showed you how we did the floor, did the rust, fixed it all up, and now we're going to show you how we studded out the floor, added the insulation, and put on the real finishing touches of the flooring. Stick around, be sure to like and subscribe.
So I just got to the place, Menards, where we like to shop at, and for you guys to come inside and let's see what we can find. I'm looking for furring strips. And if anyone else is wondering, yes, I am a 30-something-year-old man with braces. But I still think I can build out a van, so let's go see. Surprising enough, that was pretty painless and fairly cheap, so I have a feeling it's not going to stay like this, but I did walk out with a jingle in my head, and it would save big money at Menards. It gets me every time. Alright, time to go home and work.
Okay. So are you wanting to put them in here or up here?
On the ribs?
Huh?
I feel like they go in the ribs, don't they?
Depends on how thick your insulation is. If your insulation's thicker than this next to that, you have to put it up here. So, bad news, guys. We gotta wait. It's too cold. We ran into that problem with the paint and it didn't cure. So we were gonna use liquid nails on our furring strips and it's not gonna cure. So we're gonna wait a couple days and try to put down the furring strips when it's warmer, because it'll be 50 degrees on Thursday and it is not that warm today. So we will figure out a plan of where we're gonna put these, maybe get them cut, and check back in on Thursday.
Alright guys, so I'm working solo today. Wife's inside working, so I took it upon myself to take a day off and see what I can finish this floor. The plan is to start laying the 1x2s down, and we're going to use liquid nails, adhesive. We used it when we built our house, so hopefully it'll be enough to secure it to the metal, and then we'll let it cure for a couple days and we'll come back and see how it turns out. Short roofs are a little restrictive. Okay, some notes. Screw doing it by hand because I just stuck a splinter through my fingers, so now I'm working smart, not hard. What a bad idea.
Hey guys, so it's been a while since we checked in. We are having some warmer days, and today we're working on the furring strips for the support in the subfloor. We didn't have the right drill bit, so we're trying to make one work because we have to inset the screws in here so the heads don't poke up too high. We're going to drill it and then put the screws in and then put the subfloor on. So we're going to show you as we go.
So I was lucky enough to find some screws that I had left over from an old job, and they're self-tappers, and still with the inset they've got enough to bite, and they seem really sturdy. Oh, hey. Alright, so I'm trying to look and see where those came out, because I want to see if I'm going to hit anything. I'm trying to avoid anything that may be important. What do you guys think?
Which is
Right above my head. So,
you see the screws down here?
do you?
They're right here. Right here.
Are they clear everything?
Yeah. Just get cute buttons in here. Good work.
Alright, so it just got finished. I think we're making progress. You tell me. Starting to look like something. But I'm getting hungry, so I'm going to go inside because wife said, hey, maybe I'll do something while you're working so very hard on the van. So let's go see. And the cat in the window. Yes, husband here.
Hi, babe.
Did I make it in time for something
Just in time.
edible?
Got
Wait, what is this?
veggie wrap
Oh.
and some nochi.
I think it's pronounced gnocchi.
About that.
And are those cat turds or fish sticks?
No, it's tempeh for the veggie wrap.
Oh. Sounds delicious. Well,
Just an update in case you watched the What I Eat in a Day and the van videos, we have newly gone vegan. So,
it's the thing to do.
tempeh.
Oh.
Talking real estate, and I walked by this. I took my walk today, and I thought, what a cute little house, and I'd never noticed it being on the market before.
I've been measuring this foam board. It's foam board. And I'm cutting it. I've got a few pieces in. None of them went as planned, but luckily it's really easy to cut. We've made 15 trips to the store to get the right screws, but we finished all of the 1x2s. So now just time to cut. Oh yeah, and I'm too lazy to go get the right knife. So using the pocket knife. This one's harder than the other one. You want to?
Alright, so I'm getting ready to take some measurements to try and put down the subfloor. Got all my plywood over here. My helper wife is out mowing yards right now, our yard. So I'm doing this solo, so first I'm gonna just start taking some measurements and see if I can fill in the gaps. So here we go. So I've got my first measurements. I'm going to pile on a table. I'm gonna grab the circular saw. We're gonna see if I can do some accurate cuts.
Here's the board. We haven't cut the right side yet. About to put it in the van and see if it fits. This is the state of the van currently. Here are the screws we got to go from plywood to furring strips.
Ready?
No, 2 of you want to say
What do you want on that? Four?
Sure.
Sorry, on.
No, don't do that. No.
Harris. Just say arg.
Third tries the charm. They've all popped out.
Everybody been working in here all day today?
Well, better question, have you seen anybody over here today?
That I have not. We don't see much of them anyways.
Okay. Well, his truck drove into the state's attorney's pool today.
Huh.
The last piece of subfloor is going in. So exciting. Everything's worked on our first try. This didn't happen with the house. I was like, oh no, it didn't fit. It was your feet. Does it fit? What's it hitting? Oh no. No.
Balls.
So we're just sweeping out the van. We had to clean it out, which was a big pain in the butt. And then we're gonna lay some flooring.
That down?
That's all I got. Okay, so I was trying to teach this over here. I screwed up. We started on the right side. Make sure you start on the left and go to right. But there is a hack that we learned. And this board needs to sit this way, but it's way too long. So what you do, this is how it goes. Once you know which direction it goes, reverse it. Put it at the edge where you need it. Mark that with a pencil, and once you cut it on that line there, this board will fit perfectly right there.
I've got to do this quick because the mosquitoes are sucking me dry. So what we've done is we finished the floor finally, and we put down this piece of, I guess it would be stair trim, to give us a finished edge. So come over here with me. I did this one ahead of time. I'm going to check and we'll measure this other one. Come with me. I'm over here. Come with me. Here, here, and here. We're going to line this baby out, and then up there.
Step 1.
Step 1, measure.
Step 2.
Cut.
Step 3.
Install.
Step 4. Admire.
Completion. We are at 26 3/4.
Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe. See you later.